Hello guys, welcome to Nita Crochets. The hook is my magic wand. This is a monthly recap video for the month that is just about to end, that is May. So basically these are some of the pieces I knitted and crocheted during this whole entire month. There are not so many because I was sick for the first 2 weeks of the month, so I really don't have that much pieces to share with you guys, but yes, the little that I have, I feel is so golden. I am so proud of myself about this dress. The dress is knitted, the lower bit of the dress is knitted, and then the breast cups are crocheted, the sweater is crocheted, and I'm really super proud of myself because for this dress I was trying out the distressed effect on my central knitting machine. As you all know, I bought the machine this month and I have an unboxing video for it. For the stitch of this sweater, I have shared a video for its stitch. And then moving on, I have the CHICA chain dress. I love this dress. Honestly, this is a dress I have recreated and got myself so proud of a recreation of this kind. Initially, the dress, if you know the dress, you all know this is hairpin crochet. I hear some of you call it hairpin lace. So I figured out a way to crochet it, and I've put a video tutorial on my YouTube channel. You should check it out just in case you would love to make yourself such a dress. Adjustments for larger sizes are going to be in the written pattern, which is also going to be out this coming month, that is June. So you should have the written pattern as well. It just took me so long to release it. I'm just working on a few things because I figured this is a hard dress writing a pattern for. So I need to make sure I am all right on everything that I've written in the pattern. But yes, the written pattern will be coming through, guys. All right. So let's move on to my next dress. This is one of the dresses I put under my Close to Skin collection, and it's the first dress I tried on my central knitting machine, and it's very simple. I just worked a few changes here and there just to give it more beauty, but yes, that is how it looks like. I love this dress because it is super thin and very creative. So this is yet another one, also from the central knitting machine. I think I did more knitting than crocheting this month. This is also another dress. I worked with nude, red and pink, and this is how it came out. I really love this dress as well. And then there is this multicolored dress. All right, I love it as well, but not as much as the purple and the very first dress I shared. Also, this is from my central knitting machine. I have shared a few videos of these on my Instagram reels, but then I thought some of my YouTube people or the audience on my YouTube might not have seen some of these dresses I knitted on my central knitting machine. And then my very previous project, this was the scarf and caul. I made this for a client that is a male, and he was particular on what he wanted his beanie. Sorry, I said scarf and caul, but this is a beanie and caul. He was particular about what he wanted, and that's how it turned out. Bye.